Okay, it's been a few years since I've taken the metal cloak Exo Skin off. Happily, I had used the STL. The bolts came out really good. I had to take the rock rail off first to get underneath into all these nutserts. I'll be washing this up and gooping everything. But the main reason is I came down on an obstacle and I got kind of like a ripple in this fender right here. You can see it's kind of messed up. I was hoping I got this suction cup tool here. I was going to clean this all up nice and try to pull that little dimple dent out of the fender piece right here. So obviously clean it up, see if I can do anything with it. Okay, these nutserts installed so many years ago are 3/8/16. So you can see I got the tap wrench and just kind of cleaning the threads out a little bit. Spent some time taking all of this apart today and trying to pull a dent out of that fender piece, and came out pretty good. It's not perfect, but much better than it was. Then I took some expansion foam, some large gap expansion foam, and sprayed it in there to also keep some outward pressure on that fender piece. Huge improvement. New foot pegs. New side mirrors, compliments of Chris.